Mahmood Ghaznavi rahmatullah alayh. We say rahmatullah alayh. But if you look in the history of Mahmood Ghaznavi, he also ruled a large continent of this world. The entire subcontinent that you see, the whole southern part of India, the northern part of India, and moving on to Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iran, right up till the borders of Turkey was the rule of Mahmood Ghaznavi. He ruled for 33 years. And at the same time, he was a muhaddith. He used to render the dars of hadith. At the same time, he used to write books of fiqh. He used to write the fatawa himself with his own hands. So these were not free people, but they also had an aim that together with preparing for our work, it's mentioned that he had actually launched 17 expeditions upon the different dynasties that was in that region at that time in India. This is 1,000 years, 400 Hijri. 400 Hijri is the 10th century. And all of them he was victorious in. That was Mahmood Ghaznavi. It is mentioned in 1950. So he passed away in 416 Hijri. 416 Hijri he passed away. That is, you're looking at 1026. He passes away in 1958 in Ghazna, which is now in Afghanistan. He is buried there. There was an earthquake and many graves were sinked in, and they had to remove one whole graveyard and move it over. Mahmood Ghaznavi's grave was also sinked in. So the governor at that time, now recently, he said that we'll move his grave into the safer place. When they opened his grave, they found his coffin as if he was buried today. These were pious servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Together with ruling the world, they did not lose their vision.